Hello, Mrs. Beth here with instructions for today. For your actividad inicial, you were supposed to answer the question in this space. Tell me, what do you think people could use hieroglyphs for? Like, what do they use them for? And we know that those are like signs that represent something. So I want you to tell me, what could you use hieroglyphs for? And in this part of the chapter, para empezar, you're going to practice with some conversations in Spanish. So what you need to do is you're going to open this form and you're going to complete your name, select your class, and then you're going to answer these questions. So this is based on your notes. So it says click on all the possible phrases below that can be used to talk to teachers. So remember that we were seeing how do we use tú and how do we use usted. It is in your notes. Let me find them here. So you have this in your notes is when you use tú versus usted. And we saw it when we were seeing the conversation. So you can look at this and probably pause your video so you can remember. You don't have your notes. If you have in your notes, you can just look in your notes. So you're going to check which ones do you use. Now, it's 70 points. That means you're going to check 7 of this. And here's 80 points. You're going to check 8 of this. So be very careful because you get one wrong, then you're going to get all the points. If you are not sure about your answer, just let me know. But know that you can also always edit your answers and like go back and edit your answers to get a better grade. In this one, it says select usted or tú to indicate how you will address the person being spoken to. So you have Senor Gomez. Are you going to use tú or usted? So you're going to select that. I'm just going to randomly fill this because I think that I need that to move on. And in this one, it says this conversation is not in order. So you are going to select the numbers. And I gave you different orders of the numbers to say how the conversation fits in the right way. So I'm just going to do the first one to move on. I missed that one. Okay. In this one, you're going to read the conversation in the image and you're going to select yes or no, sí or no. So you read the conversation, then you're going to tell me, these people know each other, yes or no, according to what you think. The teacher is a man. We know the last name of both people, and I'm randomly checking. So you just read the statement, select the question. I randomly did it. I check everything, yes. And then we move to the next one. In the next one, we have an audio activity. So for the audio activity, you're going to do as usual. You're going to play here. If your audio doesn't work here, you can go to the plan. I put the audio there. I put also the useful vocabulary. That is the vocabulary one. And then you are going to complete this. It says listen to each question statement, select the letter. So you have A, B, C, D, E, F right here. So you're going to listen to each one and see which one of these will match to whatever you're listening to. So you select the one. There's only one option that will match what you're listening to. Same with this one, same with this one, same with this one, same with this one. And that's it. And that's the last part, and you submit. Once you finish, if you finish early, I want you to go back to your vocabulary section. And I would like for you to practice your vocabulary. Right here, there is the Quizlet. So you have Quizlet greetings and goodbyes. You have Quizlet 1. You can practice either one, but we're going to be playing with this one, Quizlet 1. So we're going to play Quizlet Live with this one. That's all we have for today. And let me know if you have any questions. Adios.